How to accept invitation on Temu app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to accept invitation on Temu app. So, do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To accept an invitation on the Temu app, such as when someone invites you to join Temu for discounts, free items, or referral bonuses, you typically have to open any social media platform or the message or email where you have received an invitation link. Here I have got the invitation link on WhatsApp. So this is the link given below. Simply you have to tap on the link and you will redirect it on the Temu application or the App Store if you haven't installed the app yet. If you are a new user on Temu, you'll need to create an account and follow the on-screen prompts in order to register using your email, phone number, or social media account. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. After signing in, the app will automatically recognize the invitation link and you should see a message or notification in order to accept the invitation. After that, tap on the accept button to confirm, and once you accept it, you will typically receive any promotional benefits such as discount coupons or even the free items depending on the type of invitation. And then you have to continue shopping on Temu and enjoy the benefits from the invitation. Ensure you are using the link sent by the person inviting you. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.